Dear and beloved alumni of St. Joseph's Convent School, Kakinada, we approach you with immense pride and a humble heart, seeking your support in a momentous endeavor that will shape the future of our cherished institution. The very walls that nurtured our dreams, instilled our values, and ignited our thirst for knowledge now stand at a crossroads, yearning for a renaissance that will propel them into the future. For over a century, these sacred walls have witnessed the transformation of countless young minds into beacons of excellence, each carrying forth the enduring legacy of our esteemed institution. However, the winds of change have ushered in a new era, one that demands us to adapt and evolve to ensure that the flame of knowledge burns ever brighter. As we embrace the visionary national education policy, our aspirations soar higher than ever before. Yet, our current infrastructure, though steeped in memories and nostalgia, can no longer sustain the demands of a modern educational landscape. With heavy hearts, we must bid farewell to the hallowed halls that have nurtured our growth, but this farewell is not an end. It is a new beginning, a rebirth that will pave the way for a future where our students can soar to unprecedented heights. We turn to you, our esteemed alumni, who have carried the values and lessons of St. Joseph's into the world. We ask for your support in this monumental endeavor. Remember the lessons, friendships, and values that were instilled within these walls. Our institution will help ensure the future generations experience the same nurturing environment that you did. It is important to note that our organization is entirely run and managed by women, specifically by nuns, have devoted their lives to the service of others. Their collective efforts span various areas, including running schools, hospitals for the poor, homes for the aged, and orphans and crushes in various places across India with headquarters in Vizag. In the words of Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Together, we have the opportunity to wield this weapon to shape a future that is brighter, more inclusive, and more compassionate. St. Joseph's Convent School is more than just a building. It is a sanctuary of learning, love, and growth. Each of you carries a piece of this sacred place in your hearts. Now, we call upon you to help us rebuild our school, to create a new home where dreams are nurtured and futures are forged. As we embark on this journey of transformation, we are reminded of the words of St. Joseph. Do not be afraid to take a step forward, for God will be with you wherever you go. It is with this faith and determination that we seek your support. Your generosity today will echo through the halls of our new institution, serving as a reminder of the unbreakable bond that ties us all to these hallowed grounds. Each contribution, no matter how small or large, will be a building block in our collection of endeavor, a testament to the enduring spirit of St. Joseph's Convent School. Let us come together and create a legacy that will inspire generations to come. For it is not merely a building that we seek to construct, but a sanctuary where dreams take flight, where values are instilled, and where the pursuit of excellence is woven into the very fabric of our existence. May the spirit of St. Joseph's Convent School forever guide us, and may our collective efforts pave the way for a future where excellence knows no bounds. Together, we can ensure that the flame of knowledge lit by the sisters of St. Joseph of Annecy continues to burn brightly, guiding young minds and hearts toward an illuminating path of excellence and compassion. Thank you for your unwavering support and for being a part of this incredible journey. May God bless you all.
Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever, everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. Memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost, and I felt all of the air.